15 lakhs in Japan. International caregiver jobs now open. 80 plus candidates already placed. Visit us today to know more.
Kumbaladap rai daga Jingmab kunhun Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 ban pentri kam ka one time settlement scheme ban map no prapo persen ke Jingsew basateng ka day bat ka Motor Vehicle Act Goods and Passenger Tax bat ki Kuna nalor ka khandai po persen ke Jingmab na ka basiw ya ka fitness certificate jongki kali Kamai baro uba Sñiaw bahalang dhar usembut Menteri rangba ka jella uba khmi ya ka tanat transport ula ong baka Sorkar kanyo jingmi pisa duna yak arspa Klur. Habakran syakilat pathai kubur, hadin balapan penapat ba balapan try kam ya ketika skim haka kat waiter ujeliu arja arpunriu uba Sñiaw bahalang ulaong bala dadai ba map kapisakan poi praspa Klur AA. Hakani ke Jingmab nalor usembut Menteri rangba laidon lang daw Commissioner bat Secretary Khajna Transport usanjay goyal ki officer ki District Transport Officer na ki District bapher lambat kiwe pan.
Hadin bingla de pas ya ka kabinet hakini kisi balade kumingla pemna ya kini one time settlement scheme nak mentaman waive of ya taxes of vehicle kumala brief hani poblade exactly ya pada berke motor vehicle taxes and good taxes keberlong waive by proportion hak pada ber fitness in waive by 90%. Mentah kasi dalam finally ke sistem kalau ready in place kena bagi pai ba aduni mentah like formally launching kamu duduk lesai kelak ban cemat ban siuno ek by court by selanjutnya kumingla pemnah kabel NDC beladan.
Tikani ka kani ka one time settlement jong fide hatu kade ye kini ki kali ki ba
all commercial vehicle big and small.
Kamu duduk kat no senam hadu kono senam kat no
not from which year till date. Whatever dues has been there, so they can come for and clear dues as per the formula which has been structured by the government as per this one time settlement scheme which have been announced already.
Tapi ni ji onong jong Sorkar kanu kan onong na bai te kan
roughly ke Sorkar kala pan yo kumbaduna ars Klur plus more or less namar baro ga diu set kumingila calculate not exactly kala pan poi almost 1100 crore. So after we waive more than 800 crore. So kata government kana yo revenue try kala mduna kai kumba ars Klur maybe 180 170 crore more or less. Kadai ke Jingmab revenue jong government but hajo ke poro kadai ke relief ba igi cost margin kani ki try kili kam. I would like to make sure and request to my officer and to all the truck owner after they finish this one time scheme, so from next phases or from next quarter I request him to come regularly so that we will no more big dues like how it happened for the last 2 years.
So how is this 180 crore coming to your
Just wait, I will inform you when all payment has been done. You see, you mean how it come. So we have been collecting from all data from those vehicle which has not been paid. Maybe there is a certain vehicle from the motor vehicle tax this much of vehicle, from the good passenger this much of vehicle, from the fishes this much of 1,000 of vehicle are there. So roughly it come to almost 1100 crore dues. So after we waive all this, so we will be getting a revenue. If all of them are coming forward, we may gain around 180 to 200 crores.
So how was the loss? How much was the
loss? You know, from 1100 crore more or less to if it is not a loss actually. Mainly all these compounds mainly is finally.
1100 crore.
Mainly is from fitness. Only from the fitness mean finality almost 900 crore.
Sir, how many vehicle usually you are?
You see, actually the data is not with me now, but I only brief you during the cabinet that time. I already give everything. Even here, for example, like the data is with me here also from motor vehicle taxes, almost 65,000 approximately, and from good passenger tax, almost 12,642, and for penalties, which is for fitness certificate, is more than 57,000 vehicle. It's huge number. That's why the amounts have come very huge.
So this is for how many means this one-time settlement window?
As of now, one time till August 31st.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lan ni ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pindon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f manta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya